2 to 3 turns. Take my bottom drive rod, and again, double check the drive rod to make sure it's straight both ways, looking at it vertically, and also checking it to make sure it's not crowned. A crowned drive bar can prohibit the lock from working, especially on older doors. We want to install the drive bar with the slot facing the upper edge of the panel. So when we install the drive rod, the alignment key again is going to find that notch, and then we'll secure the Allen screw to maintain position. As we did on the top, to bypass the pin, the stabilizing pin on the drive bar, we're going to push down on the bolt. The opening in the bolt is T-shaped. So to bypass the bolt with the pin, again, you have to push down to where the bolt is just below the top edge of the module, and work the pin through. This time, grab the drive bar with your forceps, surgical clamps, the last 1/4 of an inch, and if you push in, you'll feel the first set of rollers bump into the leg of the T on the bolt. What we're going to do on the bottom bolt is we're going to push the first pair of rollers through the top of the T. We're going to let the second set of rollers set the module or the bolt in the lock position, applying slight force on the drive bar to keep it in the mortise lock. At that time, we're going to pull back 1/16 of an inch, use the alignment key to find the slot, and tighten the Allen screw. First bolt hits the leg of the T opening on the bolt. We push down and carefully, gently push the first rollers through. Let the bolt spring back, and now the second set of rollers push the bolt up in the lock position. With the alignment key now towards the upper side of the bolt, a little bit of pressure on the alignment key, pull back slightly, if you can't find the slot the first time, try again. You can feel it and hear it fall down into the slot like it did there. Before you remove the alignment key, tighten your Allen screw to maintain position, proper positioning. Snug, not too tight. Remove your alignment key, forceps, your Allen wrench, and your alignment key in the mortise lock. If you have trouble finding the slot, the modules and the mortise locks are powder coated with paint, a paint powder coat, and at times the alignment keys may be somewhat tight in the slot, so you may work it up and down a little bit before you attempt to set the drive bar if you're having trouble. The powder coat gets a little bit heavy at times. Another idea is to file the end of your alignment key down and make a point on it, which will help you find the slot. The drive bars are also powder coated, and you want to make sure that your alignment key moves up and down freely and can also fit into the slot on the drive bar. At this time, we've got everything installed internally, and we're going to finish the installation of the external brass hardware set. Again, you don't want to over-tighten the screws on the escutcheons. Snug them up. And now, you can see the bolts are all in the lock position. If I turn the thumb turn, all three unlock or lock, and with them in the lock position, the panic feature works fine. With it unlocked from the outside, it works fine. Your lock's repaired. Thanks for taking time with us today to learn three-point lock system. For spare parts, tech support, or warranty claims, please call 1-800-PEACH-99. Thank you.